What up, though? Adriane Mays, Smile Blink Photo Booth here at Dr. Kierra Ware's Capturing Life's Moments, enjoying her amazing graduation from University of Cincinnati. I can, I will, I shall be victorious. Resilience is the word. One word, one legacy. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Kierra Ware. I just graduated from the University of Cincinnati with my PhD in molecular genetics with a focus in neuroscience. My next step is to move to Seattle. I'll be working at Seattle Children's Hospital in a pediatric lab focused on neurodevelopmental diseases and neuropsychiatric disorders with the hopes of starting my own lab soon in the future. Thank you everybody for coming. I really appreciate everybody being here and celebrating me. It was a long road and I'm glad I could celebrate this with you all together. So thank you.
That you bless her with all your mercy and grace as she travels to her new destination of Seattle, Washington. With great, to be gracious, for Seattle to be very gracious to her, to be very generous to her, to be a second home to her, and know that we are only a phone call away. May you bless this food for the nourishment of our body, pray in your son Jesus Christ's name. Amen.
Kierra, you are phenomenal, amazing, and I'm so proud of you.
Hey, my name is Shahaan Turner. One word I would use to describe Kierra Ware is extraordinary. She's a very extraordinary young lady. She is always striving to reach her goals, and I'm so very proud of her.
One word to describe Kierra Ware. Black excellence. That's two words. I can't describe, one word couldn't describe my baby girl. Black excellence.
Congratulations, Dr. Ware. We are so proud of you.
I am Auntie Dee Dee, and Kierra, oh my God, she's just unbelievable. She's a lot like me, but I don't have the book sense that she has, but I'm so proud of her. She's a lot of fun to be with too. She's like her Auntie Dee.
Hello, my name is Tanisha. I'm Auntie Tanisha. I have known Kierra since before she was born. And one word to describe her is wonderful.
Hi, this is Kierra's great aunt. I love you.
My name is Crystal, and I am Kierra's first cousin. And the one word that comes to my mind is amazing. I think my little cousin has done an amazing job throughout her entire school career. And I'm so proud to have her as a doctorate in my family.
My name is Darryl, and Kierra's my niece. And the one word to describe her is the greatest.
Hello, I am Kierra's cousin, Kierra. One word to describe Kierra is she's awesome.
My name is Will, and Kierra is very talented and beautiful and intelligent.
My name is Devante Evans, and she's smart, very smart.
My name is Sarah, and I'm her cousin, and I think Kierra is very inspirational.
A very beautiful, warm-hearted person that I'm very proud of, and to say she is a part of my family, and I love her, and I am very, very proud of her.
She's already smart. Kierra's smart. I'm great, and Kierra's very pretty, and she pays attention. She always goes.
My name is Annie Mount, and I describe Kierra as beautiful, loving, and successful.
Kerry Fannon, very smart young lady who at one time was going to be my daughter-in-law. Me and her daddy and mom used to tease about that.
Hello, I'm Kevin. I'm Cousin Cuz, and one word to describe Dr. Kierra Ware is phenomenal.
My name is Jason. If you know, you know. But I'm gonna say dynamic. Kierra is definitely dynamic because she has so many things going on to try and encompass that in one word. Like, you can't do it. So that's the word, dynamic.
My name is Kobie Ware. Kierra is my sister. The word I would describe her is as smart.
And Kiwi is the best.
I'm Bryce, and one word I would describe Kierra with is energetic.
My name is Angie. I know Kierra through
work. And Kierra's absolutely hilarious.
My name is Hassan Ware. Kiwi, what up, girl? Proud of you, mama. Proud of you. Keep striving. Peace.
I'm Brandi, and one word to describe Kierra is absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations. We are so proud of you.
All right, I'm Jalen. I'm Kierra's little cousin. And one word to describe her is, I say energetic. I say that.
All right, I'm Devante. I'm Kierra's uncle. And she's amazing.
Hey, I'm Shakira.
Hey, I'm Jeremy.
One word to describe Kierra would be encouraging.
I'm Angela, and one word to describe Kierra is brilliant.
One word to describe, ambitious. I am the cousin, diamond of fire, cousin of fitness, and congratulations.
Hi, Kierra. This is Pam McNeal, and my word to describe you is brilliant. You the best of luck in everything, and continue to break those glass ceilings.
I am Kay. I would say a good word to describe her is confident.
Jake. I'm a member of her previous lab, and I think she is incredibly intelligent.
I love the corgi. She a good girl.
My name is Serenity, and I think she's nice.
My name is Lisa Trimble. I am Kierra's cousin. And the one word that I can think of to describe Kierra is phenomenal. She is a bad little sister. I cannot wait to see how far you soar. I wish you all the luck in the world, and I love you.
Hello, I'm Kiana Bryant, and I'm cousin Kiana, and I am so immensely proud of you, and just soar high. You're gonna do great, and I can't wait to come visit you and us have some more hustle sessions together. Love you.
Yes. Hi, my name is William Trimble, husband of Lisa. Just gave an interview, and cousin of Deon. And Kierra, we're gonna just want to wish you much luck, much success in your new role. I think you're going to do great. We are very proud of you becoming the PhD of the family. So very good, and congratulations to you.
My name is Auntie Ware, and one word I can describe here is fashionable.
My name's Jermaine Ware. One word to describe her is she's smart.
Hey, I'm Jill. Oh my God, bright. So smart, like so amazing, so sweet. It's so many words. Like, oh my God, it's so many words. A beautiful person, and I love you.
Hi, my name is Kristen, and one word I would use to describe Kierra is beautiful.
I am Kierra's boyfriend, and I've been with her every step along the way of her PhD journey. And I would say, and to speak about Kierra, I'll say that she's incredibly smart. She's so kind to everybody. She's nice. She's a social butterfly, and I'm so happy that she's in my life.
Hey, beautiful. This is Coach Shannon. I just wanted to stop by and just wish you all the blessings. I am so proud of you. One word I can describe you. I used to call you Smiley. So keep smiling wherever, grow where you are planted. I know Seattle, right? It's where you're headed, and they are so blessed to have you. So I'm always a phone call away. Love you much.
My name is Chloe, and she's a one word, smart.
My name is Morano. I'm the uncle. Kierra is our special niece, and I'm so proud of her.
Stephanie, absolutely amazing.
Connor, and she's smart.
Evan Roberts, beautiful.
Miss Peebles, Leanne Peebles. One word to describe Kierra, brilliant.
I'm Ayana Clinton. One word to describe Kierra, ambitious.
Hello, my name is Jerry Clinton, and one word to describe Kierra is very smart.
Hi, this is Auntie Karen, and my word to describe you is ingenious. You are so smart and remarkable. Don't let anything stop your phenomenal personality. You exude everything that a young woman should be. So we just say God bless you and Godspeed.
It's Auntie Angie. And Kierra, the one word I would use to describe you is brilliant. I'm so proud of you. I wish you all the best in your new beginnings. Congratulations. I love you.
Oh. My name is Cinnamon, and my one word to describe Kierra is super duper smart, and also an absolute sweetheart. So maybe 2 words. Super, super proud of you. I love you, and just keep shooting for the stars. You are a star, and I just wish that the world gives you everything you deserve. Love you.
Hi, I'm Kayla. Me and Kierra grew up together because our moms are friends. We are a month, a day, and a year apart. And I would say one word to describe Kierra is intelligent.
Girl, you don't know me. I'm Coach Taylor's wife. I just want to congratulate you on your doctorate degree.
Hello, my name is Gerard Taylor, Coach Taylor for Renaissance, and I had Kierra as one of my players, and she was my leadoff player, and she did an excellent job, very smart, very fast, and I used to always get on and I would say, "You're looking like a deer," so that's the one word, deer. Hello, my name is Gerard Taylor, Coach Taylor for Renaissance, and I had Kierra as one of my players, and she was my leadoff player, and she did an excellent job, very smart, very fast, and I used to always get on and I would say, "You're looking like a deer," so that's the one word, deer.
My name is Catherine Napoleon Brogdon, and I'm wishing Dr. Kierra Ware a safe journey in her new position. And I don't personally know her. I've met her a couple of times, but I know her crazy AZZ daddy.
I guess I'm your daddy's neighbor down at the boat. And I'd just like to say congratulations. You have accomplished something that a lot of people haven't. Just keep up the good work.
My name is Kayla Bird, and I would say focused.
I'm Alex Harris. My word would be accomplished.
Aisha Morgan, and I think she is a beautiful, intelligent young lady.
Billy Joe, and ambitious.
Hello, I am Sonia Hakim. I am a friend of Shahaan and Lacresha's, and one word to describe Kierra is ambitious.
Hi, my name is Nyla, and one word I would use to describe her is intelligent.
I am Tracy Thomas. I am Kierra's Delta auntie. Her mommy is my sans, and my one word is intelligence.
Hey, this is Nikia Burton, better known as Kia B, and Kierra is outstanding. I am very proud of her. Black girls rock, and I told her in 6 years I'll be retired. If she needs me to work in her lab, I will. Congratulations, Kierra.
Kids, dude, and I just like to say, what's her name again? I just met her. Kierra, pursue your identity to the fullest. You're phenomenal.
All right, my name is Kisha, and I am Kierra's mom's line sister. And one word to describe Kierra is steadfast.
I'm your Auntie Tracy. Let's go for the doctors. She's brilliant.
Hi, I'm Layla, and one word to describe Kierra is, I'm actually going to give her 2 words, Black excellence. Yep.
I'm Lathan. One word, style.
This is Tracy again, and my one word is scientist.
Is Nikki LaFawn, and one word to describe Kierra, fearless.
Name Dewey. One word to describe Kierra is overachieving.
My name is Maya. I'm Kierra's cousin. One word to describe her is she's very caring.
It's been absolutely amazing. It's been scholarly.
It's been beautiful seeing all these lovely faces on this beautiful day.
Black excellence.
I'm tired. Freaking amazing. Let's go. What up, though?
Yeah, you could be the greatest, you could be the best, you could be the king,
with Smile Don't Blink photo booth was amazing. My host was amazing. She captured all the moments I didn't even know I needed. You should do it too.
Smile Don't Blink photo booth was very good here. I think what I really liked the best about it was the interface, I guess. Like you could click it, take your picture, and it'll automatically send it to your phone, which was the nicest thing about it. It was also very convenient because if you forgot to take pictures of people, you just run to the photo booth and be like, all right, let's go. So I really like it. I would recommend it for anybody, especially at a big event.
Hi, my name is Aisha Morgan. I have a cigar bar called iPlace on 13124 Mack Avenue. My experience with photo booths is I used to actually have a 360, but we do need a photo booth at our cigar bar. So let's talk.